Did you know that your assistant menu can change its shortcut depending on the app you are in? To set it up, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Interaction and Dexterity. Tap Assistant menu, and then tap Select Apps to show Contextual menu suite. Here you will see a list of apps with switches next to them, like camera, contacts, messages, phone, Samsung Internet, and settings. As the example, let's enable this feature for the phone app. Next, tap the back key and then enable assistant menu. Now open the phone app. Then tap the assistant menu icon. You will see some new shortcuts like recent, contacts, and add to contacts. So if you want the assistant menu to feel more personal and useful, enable your favorite apps here and enjoy instant shortcut while you use them. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.